Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
Go scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. To be healthy is a choice that you make. Wash the germs of your hands, it's the first step to take. So wash your hands well before a meal and after too. Wash your hands really well after you go to the restroom. Go scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. It's easy as a pie, just follow the steps. Put your hands under the faucet till they are nice and wet. Take soap in your palm and rub and rub and rub till your hands are well coated with soapy bubbly suds. Go scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Rub between the fingers and around your hands. Don't forget to scrub-a-dub your nails while you can. All of this should be done in a count of 20 or so. And then you are done. Rinse off all the soap. Go scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. On a nice and clean towel, dry your hands thoroughly. Look at your hands now, don't they feel fresh and clean? To be healthy is a choice that you make. Wash the germs off your hands is the first step to take. Go scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, a doobie-doobie-doo. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub,